Okay, we're here at our Phoenix factory right now. I came back to grab some machines, some tools, some racks, and I'm gonna take this right now to our new factory in Brady, Texas. So here's how we're looking. Let's roll. Okay, made it to our new factory building here in Brady, Texas. So this is one of the buildings right here. We have this big giant building, and we're also going to be buying a couple of these other buildings next door, but I'm going to get this thing backed in there and get it unloaded. Hell yeah, that's it. It's a new factory in Brady. I'll get some. I'm gonna get all this crap unloaded with the forklifts, and then I might try to fly the drone here. We'll see how it goes. I'm kind of in a time crunch, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, just kind of a quick sneak peek of our new factory. So we'll have indoor loading and unloading here. But I got my trailer all unloaded. We have 3 forklifts right here. Still obviously a lot more stuff to move. Still pretty empty. But this building, our new building is pretty big. Pretty dang big. But this is it here in Brady, Texas. It's already dark out. I was starting to unload as the sun was starting to come down, but that's what we got going on here right now.